Robinhood has become one of the most popular apps for beginner investors. It's free to use, offers low to no commissions, and it makes buying and selling stocks as easy as buying something online. If you're curious about investing but you don't know where to start, Robinhood offers a simple entry point. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Robinhood from signing up to making your first trade. First things first, download the Robinhood app, available on iOS and Android. Signing up takes just a few minutes, but you will need to provide some personal information like your social security number and your employment details as required by law. To get started, you'll need to be at least 18 years old with a valid social security number, a U.S. residential address, and lastly, be a U.S. citizen, a permanent resident, or have a valid visa. Next, link your bank account to fund your Robinhood account. Transfers typically take a few days, but you can start trading immediately with a portion of your deposit. You can also link a debit card and set up direct deposit. When you sign up, you'll get a standard brokerage account. You can also open an IRA and a margin account after if you're looking to invest differently. In a Robinhood brokerage account, you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, event contracts, and crypto. IRAs come as either traditional, Roth, or rollover, and in a Robinhood IRA, you can trade stocks, ETFs, and options. And lastly, in a margin account, you can borrow money to invest, but beware, while it can boost gains, it also increases risk. Robinhood has some great features for beginners. You've got fractional share trading, which lets you invest with as little as $1, automated investing with Robinhood strategies, and instant buying power, which lets you invest with a portion of your deposit before it clears. You've got 24/5 trading, which lets you invest around the clock from Sunday evening till Friday evening. Robinhood also offers IPO access, so you can buy shares at IPO prices before they hit the market. And then there's Robinhood Legend for desktop-style active trading with real-time data and customizable charts. And if you upgrade to Robinhood Gold, you'll get access to perks like a higher APY on your cash, advanced market data, and more. Robinhood Gold pays a 4% APY on your uninvested cash and a 3% IRA contribution match. You'll also get access to Morningstar research and a $250 management fee cap with Robinhood strategies. Exploring the app is simple thanks to Robinhood's very user-friendly interface. Your dashboard shows your portfolio, daily changes in your holdings. To find a stock or crypto, just tap that magnifying glass at the bottom and type in the company name or ticker symbol like Apple or Bitcoin. Robinhood even gives you AI-powered market summaries, trading trends, earnings data, and analyst ratings. Trading trends show some cool insights, specifically the trading activity of Robinhood customers, hedge funds, and company insiders. Just like everything else, trading is straightforward. Search for the ticker, tap trade, and then buy, enter your amount, choose from market order or limit order, place your trade. A market order lets you buy at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the price that you're willing to pay. Selling works the same way, just hit sell instead of buy. Robinhood also offers options and futures, but those products are more advanced. Beginners should stick to stocks, ETFs, crypto, and even event contracts, which let you trade on the outcome of specific events like NFL games or the closing price of the S&P 500 at the end of the year. They're low cost, short-term trades designed to be simple, but like everything else, they carry risk. Once you're trading, your dashboard shows your portfolio's real-time performance. You can set price alerts, check your gains and losses, and stay informed with integrated news. In terms of safety, Robinhood uses bank-level encryption and two-factor authentication to keep your account and your data secure. Plus, it's a member of the SIPC, protecting your account for up to $500,000 in the unlikely event that Robinhood were to go under. However, worth noting that protection does not cover market losses. And Robinhood's additional private insurance provides additional protection. While Robinhood offers commission-free trading, no annual fee, and no inactivity fee, there are some costs to keep in mind, specifically a crypto spread, margin rates, and the fee for Robinhood Gold. Robinhood charges no commissions on stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto, but it does charge a 0.65% spread on your crypto trades. At 4.45 to 5.5%, Robinhood's margin rates are some of the industry's lowest. And then there's the Robinhood Gold fee, which is just $5 per month or $50 per year if you pay annually. Robinhood really is one of the most competitive brokers in terms of costs. However, if you do find that Robinhood is not the right fit, expect to pay a $100 outgoing account transfer fee. Many brokers charge a fee like this, but check with your new broker. They might reimburse it. In short, Robinhood makes investing accessible. Start with a standard account, explore features like fractional share trading and automated investing, and keep your account secure. Start small, diversify, and let the app help you along the way. Well, that wraps up today's video, and I hope that it helped. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and check out my other videos on trading tips, market news, and broker comparisons. And don't forget to subscribe to get our free market briefing newsletter for the top market stories before the bell. And if you're ready to join Robinhood and you want some free stocks, we'll put a link in the description below.